Okay, we're still here in the bee yard working on hive number 2. I've got it zoomed in on the entrance there. There's a little bit of bee activity. There's some out foraging. There's dandelions available right now. Not a great choice because people mow them. But based on what we saw in the first hive, we're not going to add the second deep to this one. Since there's not as much activity here, we know there's not going to be as much work done inside the hive. So all we're doing is adding syrup. So let me see if I can zoom in a little bit better or zoom out a little better here on what we are doing. Okay, so we have an in-hive feeder in here, and all we're doing is topping the top. And our inner cover stock, which is a trait of this apiary. They often have stuck inner covers. We got a few dead bees down in there. Looks like they drank a little bit of syrup, but not a lot. Hive has calm and honey in it. I didn't expect them to drink the whole gallon, so I guess that's expected. This hive isn't quite as active as the other one, just to make sure there's no dead bees in here. A hive that has a lot of bees in it, cleaning it like that's almost impossible because there'd be so many bees going. But anyway, we're going to make sure the top cover is closed. This hive has 2 openings right now. All we're going to do is strap her up so we're good. Thanks for viewing.